Back in school days, I was known for my lateness. Always wanted more, wouldn't ever try to take less. Always been the real guy, never liked the fakeness.
Never liked the fakeness, always kept it real though. Back to back on the track with my little bro. Keep our heads high, but we work with our heads low. Destined.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm going to show you guys how you fix your PS5 controller. So you want to boot your PlayStation 5 into rest mode, and then like there's this pin at the back, pin hold, as you can see. I recommend using like an iPhone pin, and then you just stick it in for about like 5 seconds, and then you get your wire and you put it in sync into your PlayStation 5 controller, and then it should turn on when you press the home button. Alright guys, it's into rest mode now. PlayStation 5 is into rest mode. Now you want to get your pin, as you can see, an iPhone pin, and you want to place it into the back of the controller. I'm going to show you guys right now, into that position, just right there. You want to stick it in for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You want to remove it. You want to go back to your PlayStation. You want to turn it on. It's a bit dark, sorry I don't have flash. And there you go. As you can see, the PS5 isn't now turning on, as you can see. And then you have to press the PS button on your controller. By doing this, you insert it, as you can see, and then you press the home button and it turns on. There you go.